Yo guys, what's up? Here with a new YouTube video, and today we are making my interior, going from 0 to hero, and we're gonna be installing LED stripes inside the car. And yeah, excited to see how it looks. Final result costs around like 50 bucks. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Let me guys take you install them. I have no clue, but we'll just go with the flow. So here we got the Aura interior LED strip kit, and then we got like cigarette charger footer. I hope this works or doesn't fuck up my car. So yeah, because I don't want to do the hardwire, or I don't know how to do the hardwire shit. So maybe I figure it out. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's unbox this and put it in my beautiful car. So it had like two of these boxes. This is how it looks. Has the remote and those strips. Yeah, I guess that's it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna start with the driver's side, and we got 4 strips. Where's it? 1, 2, 3. Wait. How many stripes we got? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 stripes. So my plan is probably to maybe two under here, 2 there, and then back there. Somehow, I don't know. We'll figure it out. So this is the extender, split, whatever. This is my dash cam, and then that's the power source. I'll see if this works. So this plug actually works. You can plug 2 cables in there too. So let's figure this shit out.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, after like 15 minutes, I finally figured out how I wanted to do the layout. So here's one, and it goes back here to there. Then there's one under here. Then I'm gonna put you back here to seat one, and behind this back seat, and 2 right there under this bar. So yeah, we got everything plugged up, and let's start putting it right there. Clean it up with some rubbing alcohol and stick it on there. Let's go. Okay, we got it cleaned up now, and yeah, let's put this first one on. Can't even see me. Here goes nothing. Oh yeah. Let me show you guys. Here you can see it's on. Because I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, it should stay on there. I didn't put no adhesive promote on, but it should stay there for a while. And so yeah, now we gotta do the cable management. Just tuck it under here, do it back there, and we should be good with the first one.
Artlist.io.
Now we got it. What's up guys, how we doing? Guys, I just noticed this is not gonna be a good cable management. Because if I want to do like nice smooth, I gotta take panels out. Do I look like I'm gonna take some panels out? No. Oh, gonna make it as beautiful as possible. So on to the next one. Got that one on there. And now we're gonna do this one right here. So behind the seat, because you won't see it because the back seat, but still it's gonna glow. So we're gonna put it right there now. Clean it up again. So this comes right here. I love that you can see my face. This comes right here. The cable management is gonna be so ugly. But
Artlist.io.
why does it not stick? Okay, now with a little bit hammering, it sticks. Okay, plug these in. Sorry guys that you can't see me. Maybe I gotta turn this film upside down so you can see me, but I'm just trying my best, you know. Okay, now we got this sticky on here. These will hang over here, but we're gonna use zip ties to make them together so it doesn't look that ugly. So yeah, on to the next one. We're probably gonna do this underneath there now. So yeah, let's stick this next one on. You guys can see this one is on too now. Is it straight? No. Does it matter? No. So we got that one done. And now let's do the cable management again. And then we got 3 out of 6 done. Let's go do the cable management, and then yeah. So now we're just gonna tuck this underneath here. And now we're just gonna put this behind the seatbelt, and then that's done with the next one. So here's the next one we're gonna install. I'm just gonna skip that. Boop. Installed. This still opens, so that's good. And now let's move on to the ones in the back. So for the last 2, we're gonna put them right underneath here. And oh, okay, never mind.
Stop it. Get some help.
The last 2, we're gonna put them right underneath here. Yeah, and then we are done. That is on. Bash away. So we got them on now. Are they straight again? No, doesn't matter. I have no clue yet. We're gonna find out in a second. But now we're gonna put these cables under this rug, clean it all up, make this beautiful zip tie stuff. But I'm gonna just skip you the part, this management part, and just show you the montage of it growing.
Artlist.io.
So guys, that's it for the video, and honestly my view to these Aura strip is I love it. I don't know the behind the seat, I don't know if you can see them really, but I have to see when I'm driving and it's dark in the car. I really love them. The install was easy. I would definitely recommend them, and the cigarette splitter is working good so far, and I love it so far. I hope this short video, this was a short video, you enjoyed it, and this definitely upgraded my interior for any car, not just for Musik, could be for any car. So I definitely would recommend that. I'm not sponsored by them always. But yeah, like always guys, love you guys, and peace out.